Redis is fast, but what happens to your data when the server restarts? The append-only file, the AOF, is Redis's answer to durable recoverable writes. Instead of periodic snapshots, the AOF records each write command as it happens. If Redis crashes, it simply replays those commands in order to restore your data exactly as it was. When a write arrives, Redis updates memory and appends the raw command to an AOF buffer. The appends policy then decides exactly when that buffer is forced to disk before the client gets its reply. You can turn on the AOF at runtime without a restart. Set append only to yes, choose your appends policy, issue some writes, then call config rewrite to make the settings permanent in redis.conference. When you review a PR that touches Redis persistence config, watch for the no appends trap and missing rewrite thresholds. An unbounded AOF or a naked appendfsync no is a silent data loss risk waiting to surface under load. Remember, the AOF trades disk space for durability. Pick your appends policy deliberately, keep rewrites on, and combine it with RDB snapshots so you have both a compact backup and a fine-grained write log.